Mt Rainier, 14,000 feet. I'm going to Camp Muir, which is halfway, 10,000 feet. So people finish this Mt Rainier summit in 2 days. First day they climb to Camp Muir and they stay there overnight, and then next day early morning they start hiking for the remaining 4,000 feet and reach to Mt Rainier summit at 4,100 feet, and then they return back on the same day all the way down to Paradise parking lot. So from Paradise parking lot to Paradise parking lot is at 5,000 feet. I'm going to Camp Muir, which is the 10,000 feet, 10,500, so almost 5,500 feet I'm climbing, and I'll be back. Next time I will try for 2 days journey climbing all the way to Mt Rainier summit.